Hey guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to delete second Facebook profile on phone. So let's start how to do it. At first go to your target profile which you want to delete. Now select your profile. Now go to Settings and Privacy. Then Settings. Now click on Personal Details. Again click on Personal Details. Click on Account Ownership and Control. Now click Deactivate or Deletion. Now select your profile. You can select Permanent Deactivating or Temporary Deactivating. Now enter your password and deactivate your account. If you select Temporary Deactivated, it will automatically reactive. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and hit the subscribe button to get more update video.